Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today our topic is interest rate risk. First of all, what is interest rate risk? Interest rate risk is the potential for investment losses that result from a change in interest rates. Mean that it is the probability of a decline in the value of an asset resulting from unexpected fluctuations in interest rate. Mean that the current market, the current interest rate and the bond prices demonstrate an inverse relationship. If interest rate rise, for instance, the value of a bond or other fixed income investment will decline. So the change in a bond's price given a change in interest rate is known as its duration. Interest rates can be reduced by holding bonds of different durations, and investors may also ally interest rate risk by hedging fixed income investment with interest rate swaps, options, or other interest rate derivatives. Generally, bonds with a shorter time to maturity carry a smaller interest rate risk compared to bonds with longer maturities. Long term bonds imply a higher probability of interest rate changes. Therefore, they carry a higher interest rate. Understanding interest rate risk. First of all, interest rate changes can affect many investments, but it impacts the value of bond and other fixed income securities most directly. So, bondholders therefore carefully monitor interest rates and make decisions based on how interest rates are perceived to change over time. For fixed income securities, as interest rate rise, security prices fall. So, this is because when interest rate increases, the opportunity cost of holding those bonds increases. That is, the cost of missing out an even better investment is greater. Mean that holding those bonds that will give lower return in future. So you have the opportunity to invest that cost in other areas, mean in other bonds, in other securities that will give you high return. So it is costly to hold those bonds that will give you lower return. So the rate earned on bonds therefore have less appeal as rate rise. So if bond paying a fixed rate of 5% is trading as its par value of $1,000 when prevailing interest rate are also at 5%, so it becomes far less attractive to earn that same 5% when rate elsewhere start to rise to say 6% or 7%. In order to compensate for this economic disadvantages in the market, the value of these bonds must fall, because who will want to own a 5% interest rate when they can get 7% with some different bond? You look at examples of interest rate. For example, say an investor buy a 5-year $500 bond with a 3% coupon, then interest rate rise to 4%. The investor will have a trouble selling the bond when newer bond offering with more attractive rates enter the market. So the lower demand also trigger lower prices in the secondary market, so the market value of the bond may drop below its original purchase prices due to increase in interest rate. So the reverse is also true. A bond yielding a 5% return hold more value. If interest rate decreases below this level, mean that the interest rate decreases below 5%, since the bondholder receive a favorable fixed rate of return relative to the market. So this is about interest rate risk. I hope so all of you understood my topic of interest rate risk.